A very good evening to all of you. I, Prachi Srivastav, Head Corporate Relations, Sagar Group of Institutions, Sistek Bhopal. So today we are up for a particular session like placement trends, hiring patterns, and change technology. Allow me to introduce Mr. Tanmay Srivastav from Research and Development, brother Shakti Pumps, taking a technical recruitment part. Welcome you, Tanmay sir.
Good evening.
So,
Thank you for the introduction.
yeah. So
Welcome, Tanmay sir. Yeah.
these days we are up for n number of things, and this is at Systec. We always try to make our students accountable for what they are learning. A kind of oppressed is going to seen in all over the world due to this COVID-19, and due to which a kind of uh, things which are coming in the minds of students, like what about the placements, what are the hiring patterns these days 2020, what all corporates will be coming to place them, what will be the scenario. And these days we said we have the results of quarter 1 to all the corporates, and yes, of course it is not that good, but still companies and corporates, they are looking forward to have a very good recruitment patterns and the hiring streams. So if we talk about core engineering these days, we are up for few corporates. So let's start with Shakti Pumps. Tanmay sir will be heading the recruitment team, and now he's up for the session. Welcome, sir. Over to you.
Okay, good evening all. This is Tanmay Srivastav. I am working in the management field in research and development, Shakti Pumps India Limited. I had experience for around, it's about 6 years now. So we are here for discussing the challenges and the problems and the opportunities in the current COVID scenario. So we are up to now.
Okay. What all things you see, as far as these COVID-19 issues are coming, and the development and research, a lot many projects are on the hiring mode, and of course they are looking for a fresher recruitment also. So as far as we heard that Shakti Pumps are up for not only NITs but to the private colleges as well. So now a broader aspect, we are looking for to hire engineers, a particular segment you are looking for, or anything you want to guide our students, that what all patterns you are looking for to hire a fresher.
Yes, definitely. Every company needs talent. So there is already demand for the talent students. So in the current scenario, although companies were looking for the multitasking person, those who can handle multiple department at a time. So they need to reduce the manpower, and one man can perform the many tasks.
All right.
So you should be able to perform multiple skills.
All right. A very trending skill sets we are looking for example, if talking about mechanical, mechatronics is there, some designing softwares is there, answers are coming on to, then AutoCAD. So students are towards designing part as far as we are comparing to production and quality control. So what is the scenario at Shakti Pumps?
Actually, at Shakti Pumps, design is not only about to design a component in a CAD or a CAM domain. Actually, you should be responsible up to the release to production level. You will know the each and every stage of the product. So you have to
Okay.
involve in all the stages, in all
All
aspects of
right.
manufacturing.
Can you please brief a bit?
Actually, as in R&D department, you have to be responsible for each and every aspect of the product. For any further release in production, if there is any problems arises, so you should be able to resolve it. So you should be in multiple field to analyze what's the there is terms come for design for manufacturing, where
Okay.
you not only design the project or the product,
Hmm.
then you will also discover the modes of the failures and rectify them so that the product will be improved.
Okay. Tanmay, you have been to Singapore also for some, couple of projects also. So could you please brief a bit for the students so that it will be helpful for them to understand the exact strategy in the research and development part?
Pardon?
I'm asking that you have done a couple of projects at Singapore location. So can
Okay.
you please brief a part so that students will really benefited of that, like a core industry, what all projects will be taken as far as
Yeah,
Shakti pumps are concerned?
actually, there are tie-ups from the other foreign countries also. In Singapore, from Singapore, we are importing some products, actually components. So we need our projects intended to not only design for or the manufacturing aspects also. That means they will provide us the sample. We have to cross-check and revert our reviews. So you have to be responsible for checking also.
All right. And every time we heard about the, segmentation of profiles. For example, if we talk about fresher mechanical engineers, according to you, you have also started your journey towards a production engineer and the in the research and development. What kind of job roles we were performing at that particular time?
Actually, as a freshie, everyone has choice of aspect that I want to be a design engineer or a production engineer, or I want to only limited to the drafting parts only. But in company, it's not like same. You have to be responsible for design also or manufacturing also.
All right. All right. Any specific trade being a technical recruiter you are looking at in our students? Because as you said that fortunate where we are that we are having some intern opportunities in the Shakti pumps. So any specific traits you're looking for?
Basically, the core fields are mechanical and electrical. So they also possess the quality of project management. They should able
Okay.
to judge the projects and do divide the projects and to judge the cost of the project.
Okay. Any specific area of CAD or CAM which we are using into this?
Uh, CAD is must, and CAM and CAE. CAE is you provides you the vitalness among the CAD students.
Mm-hmm.
Nowadays, CAD is a part for first and second year students. So you must
Right.
learn the CAM and CAE also, the
All
analysis
the
part.
basics, right? Apart from the basics, they have to work on these projects also, so that they can come up with some better profile in the research and development also. So we
Yes, yes.
heard a lot many things like technical recruiters is in demand, and we are here at Cystic also, we are following the trend like 100% student will be follow a particular pattern of internships. Once they will be aligned towards a particular task, then only they will be in a position to perform a full-time job role. So specifically when we talk about the research and development, the job role are very specific. For example, in quality control, for example, in technical alignment or the software domain. So do you think like moving towards the IT industries, this will be really helpful for mechanical engineers?
Pardon?
I'm saying that we are comparing the other sectors also as far as mechanical domain and electrical domain is considered. So do you think it is beneficial that all the electrical and core mechanical engineers would be opt for some IT channels?
No, no, no.
So
There is
it's a
no
matter
need.
of demand.
No, no. It's not like there will always be demand for the core engineers.
Okay.
No one can replace them.
All right. All right.
IT
Because
is a additional part if you want to add IT learnings also along with your mechanical knowledge or electrical core knowledge. That will be very beneficial.
and yes, we agree that the at this point of time, even during COVID-19, the core engineering profiles are up, and the freshers have almost everything to do with these core brackets. So they do not need to worry about like what all patterns and strategies will be coming,
No,
because
no,
Shakti.
don't panic. there's not any panic situation. That's just the world is going through a slow motion situation. So everything is slows up. The project gets slow, but it's not like that. Company doesn't need any core engineers.
All right.
There will always be a demand for them. Just they need to enhance their skills, and they need to perform multiple tasks so that they can be selected. Company wants to execute their projects and tasks within a limited manpower. So multitasking is must.
All right. Over to you,
Okay.
Sharad sir.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, wanted to add one. I want to ask one more thing. Tanmay, what all subjects do student need to know if he want to go into the Shakti pumps or in any core fields?
Uh,
This question I'm getting from the students. So, can you elaborate what a student what are the subjects, basic subjects which he should know?
Actually, we are the manufacturer of the solar pumps drives also. So we
Okay.
involves the combination of the electrical and mechanical engineering. So
Okay.
the basic subjects of the electrical and mechanical is must, but as a mechanical engineering, it also involves the hydraulics. So
Okay.
in hydraulics, fluid mechanics, and heat transfer.
Okay.
These are the basic subjects which students should in focus on.
Okay. And I've heard that Shakti Pumps is working in the field of e-vehicle also. Can you please elaborate that thing also, that project?
Yes, actually, we are on a trial period. So
Okay.
we had developed a motor for the electric vehicles. In current scenario, everyone is importing the motor and drives from the China and other countries.
Uh-huh.
We had developed our own controller and
Uh-huh.
motor. So it's on the trial version.
Okay. So, I mean, will you looking for enhancing this?
Yes, definitely. In future, we will.
Okay. So, I mean, for that, they should also have the knowledge of this e-vehicle part, isn't it? If they want to go into in.
You should must have knowledge of the mechatronics and practical core electrical working skills are required.
Okay.
If some interns are hired, they
Mm-hmm.
must able to connect all the electrical parts by themselves.
Okay. So, I mean, yeah, yes, ma'am. You're saying something.
I'm saying that, being a student of a particular branch of mechanical, people always, or student always raise this particular section like, having a practical knowledge from second or third year itself. It is very necessary to bend towards, workshops and whatever you are learning in the fundamentals. They have to explore all these things on a practical and the real field as well. So, if we talk about these core branches, is there any specific corporate who can support them, in the automobile or in the other required fields? Because it is very easy to say that they require practical knowledge. But even if companies will portfolio some live projects to them, so it will, they will be able to deliver to these students so that their development will ensure.
Yeah, definitely. Company industrial exposure is must for the students. And one more thing I will like to suggest to the students, they can work in small automobile repairing shops also. So they will get the practical skills for it. Although companies are framing projects and they are involving the students also as an intern, so that they can learn and gain the industrial experience. And if they perform well, they are recruited directly from the intern.
Yeah, but we always fetch one particular thing like there is a vast difference between a diploma and the engineers. And if we talk about the present startup scenario, all these startups are providing actually real time exposure to our, fresher engineers on their second or third year advantage. So once they are providing them a live project or, a live workshop for e-vehicles or the automobile sector, it would be better instead of getting served with a particular, service center or something. So I guess these many things has to be incorporated with the organization, and they should also come up for such live projects for our engineers.
Yes,
Can we
it will be
expect these
beneficial.
things from Shakti Pumps in future if you talk about the real exposure of the e-learning, e-cart or e-vehicles?
Pardon? I missed few
I'm
words.
saying I'm saying that can we expect the organization like Shakti Pumps that you will be providing our students a chance to get enrolled for a particular life projects or something in the near
Yeah,
future?
yeah, definitely, definitely. For the future projects, we will contact you for the
Sure.
same.
All right, that's
Yeah,
great.
I mean, yeah, we are getting a questions from our audience that Tanmay, please tell us about the demand of design engineers in the area of SolidWorks.
In the area of SolidWorks is the software from Dassault Systems. So there's
Okay,
not any particular demand only for SolidWorks. You must know the basic designing. Then you can operate any software, either it is a Pro Engineer or
okay,
SolidWorks or CATIA.
okay.
Actually, the
So,
SolidWorks is, as far as financial aspect, it is the cheap software as compared to the other software. So small industries are preferring SolidWorks. So yeah, it is demand for the SolidWorks.
But for
okay.
limited sectors
There
and limited organization, not it is not applicable to all.
Yes, it is.
Yes. Okay.
yeah, there is another questions. They're asking what about the next generation pump?
Next
They
generation
want to
pump
know
actually.
whether the Shakti pump. Yeah,
Hello,
Yeah, you are
hello.
yeah, yeah,
audible.
yeah.
Please go ahead.
So they just want.
The next generation pump, that all world is shifting towards the efficiency. Either it is mechanical or electrical. So it's the principle of the pumping that will gives the efficiency. So we can't say the next generation pump at to any particular principle of pumping, because there is a large range of pumping range. So there are few sectors which needs the head and the few sectors need the discharge. So we can say that for the high pressure requirement, it has been next generation pump is progressive cavity pump. Progressive cavity is a
Okay,
helical pump.
All right, all right.
okay.
So, I can show you, like, for example, if you talk about SysTech, we have a similar pattern of learning, and we always ask our students to be accountable for their respective learning. We provide them a kind of ownership also, because, we do not try to start their placement sessions from these fourth year onwards. We love to provide them all these, patterns from first year. So if we talk about the pattern of hiring and talk about the various equipments which are being used, we can say the techniques and the tools of the coming generation. So broadly, student has to understand what is in trend. I don't want that all these students will be affiliated with some production or some quality work. Even we are seeing that near future, if their demand is getting very less, for example, automobile sector at present, the stats are not supporting there anyways. uh, Before COVID also, it was getting in the less commodity. So basically what are tried, like, student must be aware what all technologies are available to them, and secondly, they must be brush up all required skills provided by some technical experts. So you are presenting Shakti Pumps as a technical recruiter. So can you please elaborate, like, what all techniques we can use towards for the students from second or third year itself?
Actually, techniques are different for the different companies. For our aspect, the basics thing is you must ensure your practical knowledge. If you are joining an
Those
internship or in any company,
in those three brackets, but every time we heard about the organization, like, we cannot enroll a few students because they are very young. They are having less experience over the years. So how can it be possible, like, fresher will get experience, and that too in a particular core domain, that too if we talk about research and development. So will they be able to perform some or the other way, maybe inside your organization or outside, or some channel which will provide them a good experience and the techniques which you are using in an industry? Because to brief
Actually,
them on a particular overview will not help them much until unless they will not having some tools and techniques in their hands. Once they will be appear for the same, they get to know a lot many things, and they will actually get the practical exposure. What say?
what my thought is, the students of the first year and starting second year, they must visit, they must perform technical visits also, so that they can get
It's
exposure
already
for.
there. It's already there. Students are visiting for the core domain, and but the visit is something like you are a kind of you are watching something or the other way, but the technicalities they need to understand. This is a higher standard, and more to that, they are choosing a company, for example Third Max, and they are visiting for the corporate exposure, like a coke plant. So the two things will not go parallel, and the stuff required to understand their technical exposure will be a bit less. So the compatibility level towards industry orientation and the student has to compatible with the particular objective.
What my thought is, what is hindering the gap between the student and the corporate is the time. That the student needs time for learning, and corporate is lacking for time to give students. They just expose the things for a moment so that they can generate their interest in the industrial aspect as well as the practical approach.
Okay.
So their time is the factor for industries also, so they can't involve lot of time for freshie students. Also, adequate time should be provided.
Okay, that's why I told you that can we expect some live projects for our second or third year, so that a little learning will be provided to them, and after that we'll push them towards an internship and the final placements. So a route
Actually,
has to be developed from the second year itself.
yeah, it is definitely in future there will be projects.
Right. So Sharad sir, you are having some more questions from the student part?
Yes. So again, I'm getting the same multiple questions of COVID only. So wanted to know what, as you already told, they just want to know what COVID has affected again. I mean, they just want to know. They just want the assurance that COVID hasn't affected the core part, isn't it?
No need to
No,
worry, Shakti comes in now.
so I will
Right.
like to give, positive vibe to the students. So the
Uh-huh.
effect of the COVID is only it slows the things, not eliminates the things. So opportunity is there.
Right.
Okay.
Everyone needs good talent power.
Okay.
All right. Yeah. So thank you so much, Tanmay, for your time. And it was really good to listen you, and a very informative session we have from your side. Students will also opt for learnings like always we follow at SysTech particularly. Like your placement session will not start from the fourth year itself. Rather, we try to start it from the first year. We provide some live projects. We keep them learning through internships, and then we come to final placements. So
Yeah.
yes, we are fetching some more corporates from the core segments. Yes, Sharad sir.
Yeah. I want to have one question from a student. He's asking, what is your advice to young technocrats? Final advice, single line.
Those people or those students we can
I
say
mean,
who are passing out in 2021. So any specific things you want to communicate to them?
Yeah, definitely. Be positive. There is always a work for you. So make yourself multitasking. That's the single line my advice.
All
okay.
right. So
With basic,
if I'll sum up Tanmay's discussion over the this COVID and students' expectation. So number one, student no need to worry about core placements for coming batch. Number two, always core industries are always welcome freshers these days, and yes, of course there is a bit affected by COVID-19, but that does not mean that opportunities will be not coming for the future. It will become, but it will take time. Thirdly, that every student or recruiter is expect a multitasking, and they should be aware about the core technologies and the basic fundamentals of particular subject. Number four, yes, Shakti Pumps is in for the providing live projects to SysTech and taking interns, and finally for the full placements. So all these things, thank you so much, Tanmay, to brief about on behalf of Shakti Pumps. So soon we'll be coming to you for our fresh batch. Thanks a lot for your time.
Thank you. It's my pleasure
Okay.
to
Okay.
interact
Thanks,
you.
Tanmay. Thanks.
Okay. Good evening.